Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam tagasni. Haga klip mad ba kongsan nagabenta ka jila Meghalaya. Menta kasni la play pat ba eka first scientific mining coal block ha Meghalaya ha soring kam e coal mine Bindi Hati East Giant Hills district. Haga video lingba ka program jung umentri rangba ka jila u Conrad US Bindi Hati haga jingedan lang umentri ka kinhun Menteri Uma Kerman Shilla, MLA ka Sutnga Saipung, ka Kong Santa Mary Shilla, ka Badai ka Dekot Nong Kitkam ka GHADC. Uma Hambertas Nong Tudu, Deputy Commissioner Jung ka East Giant Hills District, Shivansh Awasthi, Superintendent of Police Jung ka District, Giri Prasad Barkipat Ba Akathan, ha ka Jinyalang. Menteri Rangba ka Jila Meghalaya, Conrad ki Sangma, ula ay Kublay Yabaro kinong Shimbenta, ba kentup ya ki he sarkar kitra par motion ki we ki nong apply banti motion utrai jungane ka jing IY ti motion kerpang kata udap man shilla na Bindi Hati ki balano senyang baro hagaba pelong ya ka jilaru kum ka jing start sayan jong ka Meghalaya ki shipo hadu khatwe snem baladem kilalong ka we na ki snem ka ba e tam na ka benta shibun ki nong shong jong ka jila Kam tam kitu ki biya David, but klem daya day, but kakam Dewiong, ki balaya lingba ki jing ki bakraw hakliang kapisa tingka. Usang ma ulapin kan mau ba hausnem arhajar khatpra, haba ulalong menteri rangba ka jila hakasin ka beningkong. Da ka bayalam ya ka sorkar MDE ya kamat jong ka jing khang ti Dewiong, labu ahmad da ka sorkar. Menteri rangba ulo ongru ba ka jing pinti kana ba ki wei par kinong apply kin yo ya ka ju ka jing bit banti motion bat ba kin la ban sedang ya ka jing ti motion ha ka rukam ka start sayan kadang ya chakman kalong ka ba bat ka ba bha na ka benta wei ne ar ne lai ngot ki baning kong naki namar ki ya ha ka jaka bompat jutim klem da tip ki ki jing ki bala ban mi kinsan bat dan slam ya ka jing ya lenti henry menta bala dan lupa wei ubla kinria bat yo ya baro Menta kan sakhamsung ya ki wei pat ki belakan ria shadin namar ba kidon shadin na kabenta ki bomdan bat kilala menta ban pin isha ki wei ba kumne ngi haban bot ya karukam trekam ula ong ru ba ka Meghalaya ka don shibun ki jing na lor kaliang ka technology ngi don ya ka hok khndo bat ki rukam bat khndo ki ba pher bha na ki wei pat ki benta jangkari bar kumta ki jing pin bet ba pher ki jing ba pher kilami khnang bangin la ban pelong ye kani ka jing ti motion kerpang kum ka jing la bar kumta kala shimpor khambun bane ka bangila khmi lenti ulapin kan mau biang ba ka sarkar kan penslur ye ki weiru ban apply khnang ba kani kan nong ka rukom trekam ka ba man kasngi kat ba ka MLA ka Sutnga Saipung ka smiti ka Kong Santa Mary Shilla ha ka jingkran ka ai khublay yu menteri rangba ka jila ha uba hapo ka jingelam jang ka rukam ti Dewiong da ka science ha ka jila Meghalaya kala long ka ba shisha bat pen pau ka jingkermen ba ka jing angnut ban pen kala ya ka Meghalaya sha ka yo ka kot ka ba $10 billion house nem arhajar phopra Kanlong ka shisha hapo ka jingyalam jong Deputy Commissioner ka East Giant Hills District Shivansh Awasthi but MLA barim ka kribiat Justin Dakhar.
Today, almost after a decade of the coal mining being banned in the state of Meghalaya, we have finally inaugurated the first scientific coal mine in the state. And this is truly a historic day and a red letter day for the people of the state. As we all know, for a decade, the different individuals and families who had been dependent directly or indirectly on coal mining had suffered in the last 10 years because of the ban on coal mining. But today, with the efforts that have been made by the state government and the support that we got from the central government, we have been able to lift that ban and also start the first scientific coal mine in the state. So I wish the coal miners the very best. I encourage other miners also to please apply for the official mining license, and all the support will be given from the state government. And at the same time, we are working very hard to see how our traditional miners and small time miners could also be supported. We understand that there are limitations, but our efforts are on to engage with Government of India to see and find ways in which even the small miners will soon be able to start their mining. But in the meantime, we will move ahead with this particular scientific mining that we started. And once again, as I said, it's a historic day and a day that is going to be remembered, that the first scientific coal mine was inaugurated today in the state. Thank you very much.